English listening test. To assess your English listening skills, you will need to answer a few questions after listening to an audio clip. Be ready to respond to these questions.
The journey of learning English. Learning English can change your life. It helps you talk to people from different places and understand each other better. As you learn, you can enjoy books, movies, and conversations from around the world. Practice reading, writing, and speaking with friends to get better. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are part of learning. Every little step brings you closer to speaking well and enjoying the language more.